Hey guys, and welcome back to another premiere here on Rich Mindset. As we always do, we are here with you to talk about some topics, some things that we discover every single day. We discover by doing, by taking action, and this is why we are here standing in front of you every single week, talking about stuff that happens in real life, stuff that we do not talk only in theory. It's not only what we think we should do, or we read in a book, or we saw in a video, but it's more than that. It's about what happens on a daily basis. It's about what happens every single day, every single week, every single month, and every single year. Things that we've been through. We gather some experience, we gather some know-how, and maybe we have some answers for you. Maybe you went to the same situation, maybe you found yourself in the same situation and you didn't know how to cope or how to handle that. And this is why we are here, to try to give you some of our experience, to guide you a little bit. So when you get into this situation again, or for the first time, you know how to act, what to do, and how to do it. Today the topic is a simple one. The name of the topic is again. Why did I choose this? Because it's a topic that I often talk about with everybody around me. It's a topic that usually makes me think or wonder or ask myself why those people again and again and again accept the same situation that they don't like, that make their life worse, that put them in a tough spot, that get them stuck in a comfort zone, that don't allow them to grow, and so on and so on. So the topic about about what we are going to speak about today, it is again. Why I choose this topic is because every single day when I go outside, meet people, talk to them, negotiate contracts, and so on and so on and so on, every single, let's say, little thing that we talk about comes around into this question again, and this is a question that most of the people that I meet have because of bad experience they had in the past, or because they meet a new experience that they don't know how to handle it, or they never had the possibility to find a solution for it. And this is why this question comes over and over again. Today, I'm gonna tell you why it is important to avoid this question, why it is important to take out of your vocabulary this word again, because on a subconscious level, inside of your head, without knowing it, without realizing it, actually this question again, it's a negative one, and it will impact your life on a daily basis. Okay, this is why I'm gonna tell you, it's not about only the question, it's about the way you act after you put the question. It's about the actions that you take in the moment when you ask again, you ask yourself again, and this is what is going to do a difference in your daily let's say routine. Because as you already know, we have a routine. Every single one of us knows what to do. They go to work, they wake up, they go to work, they do their work. Maybe for 90% of the people that I know, the work or their work is the same thing every single day. They come home, if they have kids, they play a little bit with them if they still have the energy and the power. If not, they watch, I don't know, a movie or news or something, they go to bed, and the same thing happens the second day. And this is again and again and again and again. This is the first thing that you have to wonder yourself, if this is what you want to happen with your life every single day. Is this the way you see your life going every single day? By asking yourself if this will happen again tomorrow, and so on and so on, this is only a negative impact in your mind, because this will not allow you to get outside your comfort zone, will not give you the chance to become a better person, to discover what you like, to do what you love, to grow on a personal level, on a mindset level, to a stage that actually will give you the possibility to reach your dreams. Because in the end, we are here and we have only one life. As you see already on the t-shirt, one single life. If you don't do what you love, if you don't realize that your time is short and limited, if you do not give yourself a chance to dream more, to dream bigger, then what is the purpose to be on this world? Only to wake up, go to work, and go to sleep? This is what 90%, even more than that, of the population do. This is a routine that actually kills more people than car crashes or plane crashes or terrorists or whatever you want. Because comfort zone and accepting a reality that actually doesn't belong to you will kill your dreams faster than you can imagine. Listening to your teachers telling you you can do more, of your parents that didn't manage to do more and limiting you, telling you you can do it as well, or your group friends that always say you're bad because you dream more, it is what is going to kill your dreams. Maybe you are the best singer in the world. Maybe you're such a good singer that you will win everything, every single contest you go to. But because your friends tell you you're not good for it, you'll never realize the potential that you have. Maybe you're the best magician in the world, but because you made 1 or 2 tricks to your friends, family, or I don't know, teachers, or I don't know, girls on the street or something like this, and they didn't got the trick, that doesn't mean you're not good enough to do it on a large scale in front of a big audience. The only thing is you're never going to do it because you let yourself be discouraged. And when it happens once, it's okay. When it happens twice, it's okay. But when it happens 3rd, 4th, 5th time, then the question again will rise up, and that will make yourself doubt yourself. Will make you doubt yourself. So this is why I'm telling you this question again. In most of the situation, maybe in every single situation, it's a negative impact, will have a negative impact on your subconscious mind. And this is why when you get this question, when you come to this barrier, you must wonder if this is what you want to do. If it's not, then change it, do something else, try something else, because in the worst case scenario, you're not going to have to eat steaks every day and you're going to eat pasta with ketchup as I did for 1 year. But in the good case, in the best case scenario, you'll end up having your own company as I did, because I followed my dreams alongside my brother Gabriel. And today we have such an amazing tribe built here with such amazing people. But this is because when I got the question again, working at a fast food restaurant, doing the same thing every single day and wondering myself, tomorrow will be again the same, I understood that this is a limit that I imposed to myself because I listened to other people, and I never had the courage until then to actually quit what I was doing, hating what I was doing, okay, and quit it and actually starting doing something else. So this question again will be a big, let's say, mountain or boulder in front of you when you want to go on your path, but you don't know which is it. So Gary Vee has a good saying that I really appreciate about him, and tells you if you have 23, 24, 25 years old, you're at the beginning of the mountain. So you have a lot to climb, a lot to learn, a lot to do, a lot to teach yourself, to grow, a lot of things, new things to try until you discover what you like, what you love to do, and until you are going to get rid of this question again, because this is a question that will always put you down. This is one way of thinking of the question. The second way of thinking of this question, and you're understanding why it's a negative, it's in the point when everybody around you will start putting you the question. So when you go outside and, I don't know, weekend comes, let's say like this. If weekend comes and a friend of yours is going to tell you, let's go to the restaurant, and you say, I can't, I have to work, then the question comes again. If your girlfriend tells you she wants to spend the weekend with you or something, and you say you can't because, I don't know, you're not feeling up to it, and she will say again, then it's a question that you have to put yourself. Because when you get in that point, when you have no more energy, nothing more to give, when you come to that point, when you give everything at your workplace and even work weekends or 24 hours, but you're not rewarded for it, it's not allowing you to grow, to become a better person, although you already are a better person. And the question from everybody around you will come, and it will be again, as I already told you. That means you are in a spot in your life that you will not be able to get outside without analyzing what happened and what brought those people to ask you this. If you do so and you realize that maybe the things that you are doing right now are actually not good things, then the first advice that I can give you, and the most concerning way, is quit what you are doing. You still have a lot of time. There are so many examples that manage to become millionaires, if we're talking about money, or be happy at the age of 40, 45, 50. So you can be one of them. That doesn't mean if they did it, they're an I don't know, exceptional example, and you will never be able to do it. I'm gonna give you the contrary and tell you if they did it, that means you can do it as well. So this is one of the things. The second thing that I want to give you is analyze the point that we are. Are you actually happy with working on the weekend? Are you actually getting the results that you want? The people on your company, if you work for them, are rewarding you. They see your effort and stuff. Because if they do, and you think it's a good path to your to achieving your dreams, then do not listen from the people that actually ask you this. This is an egoistic question, and they are doing it only because they want something from you. But if there's a possibility for you to achieve your dreams, to get there where you want in the future on a medium or long term, then do not listen to them and keep going, because this is what I'm doing at the moment. I do not know what weekend is, and it's not because I don't want to. It's not because I can't do it. Is because I don't want to. I'm at a point when I know I can grow. I know I can make this company a unicorn. I know I can bring it to a level that no other company in Romania was, and this is because the tribe we built here is something special, and this is why I work on the weekend. I do not feel like working on a weekend. I do not feel like Monday is the day I'm gonna go back to office and be like, again. I do not feel like Friday is the day that will set me free, because I know that Saturday and Sunday will be the same, because I choose to do this. So if people around you cannot understand this, cannot see that you are in a point where you are able to sacrifice a couple of weekends, a couple of birthday party, a couple of going out with your friends, then they are egoistic and they want something for you. If they are true friends, they will never ask you that question again. They will understand where you are and even support you on the long term. Because if he's good for you and he's a true friend, I know that every single one of us will reward that friend as well. But if he's telling you every single weekend again, and again, that means he wants something that you may have, but you understand the sacrifice you have to make and he doesn't. So the second concern that I have for you, let's say like this, it's a two-way street. If it's okay, if you analyze it, if you see you're in a good mood, then don't listen to other people and keep going, because you're almost there. If you analyze it and you see you're stuck in a situation that almost has no exit, I'm not saying it always has no exit, because it's always an exit, then quit what you're doing, start something new, challenge yourself, find something better, find something that you love, and learn, because this is the most important. Without learning what you are, who you are, what you love, how you love it to be, you will never understand the true, let's say, destiny that you have. You'll never understand what you truly are good to do or made of. And this is maybe the most difficult thing in every person's life, to get rid of other people's voices in their head, to stop listening of other people, to get outside of the comfort zone and to create their own reality. Because in the end, every successful people is the same like you. They have the same two eyes, the same nose, the same mouth, the same two ears. Is nothing. They're not like aliens. They have 4 arms or something. They're exactly the same. The only difference they had, they took a risk to create their own reality. They didn't accept someone else's reality. They just made their own reality. So guys, if you ever come by this question again and you hear it more than once, then take a second, put a break, analyze what's happening, analyze what happened in the last 1-2 years, see if it's something that fits you, that you need, that can make you grow, that can allow you to achieve your dreams. If not, start over. It is never too late. Thank you guys. See you in 2 weeks. Until then, I'm gonna leave you with Gabriel. But until then, just analyze what you are doing. Bye bye and have a great weekend.
That's my love, she wants a block till the dove begins to flock. And I go and rub a spot till you see them.